Hello, my name is Tiger. I'm a producer on Nifty, and today we're going to talk about 7 easy ways to organize your closet. I'm not the most organized person when it comes to my closet, and definitely when I use these hacks and my closet is really organized and neat, I feel the most at peace. So the first idea is to color coordinate all your hangers by activities. This makes sure that when you just look at your closet and you have that wide view, you already know where to go to, just pick out some stuff, and get ready to go. Also, it's very useful if you live with other people or if you have parents or someone coming over because they can just go to that section of your closet and they can pick out whatever that is appropriate for you. The next one is a super easy, practical one. You can use a hanging shoe organizer to organize the clothes in your closet. They're really affordable, you hang them, and now you just have hanging shelves. I use it all the time to organize my t-shirts, my sweaters, socks. It's a really great way to use the vertical space in your closet. The next one is an unconventional way to use shower curtain hooks. So instead of just using it just for the shower curtain, you can also use it to hang your pants. Sometimes people hang their pants with their hangers and you get that crease in the middle of your pants and you have to iron that out. Instead, you can just hook your pants onto the hook and then hang it to your closet. And then your pants just hang freely. So the next one is a great one to make sure that you can keep your closet useful and clean and organized. You can turn all your hangers around, and as soon as you use one of the articles of clothing, put the hanger back the other way. So after a couple months, you can see what you have already worn, what you haven't worn. And even though you may like those pieces that are still in the closet, you know you haven't worn it in months. You can just donate it, give it away to someone, or sell it. The next one is a super simple one. You can just use a closet divider. This is great if you already share a closet with someone because you can make sure you designate space for you as well as keeping space for them. And if you do live with someone and maybe they're helping you with laundry, they already know where your clothes go. Another good idea is to make sure all the items that you use the most are kept at eye level. It's very easy to ignore the top parts of your closet and the bottom parts of your closet. So just keep everything where you know you'll see it. So you can just walk in, see all the things you need to see, take it and go. A great thing to have just to make space for your closet is to make sure you store all your clothes that you don't wear in particular seasons in a vacuum sealed bag. Put it in the bag, it takes out the air, it makes things so much smaller, and you can just put it somewhere else and it saves so much space down the line. A decluttered closet is a decluttered life. I really believe that. So all these different types of hacks make sure that you stay organized and make sure that your life stays organized and it just keeps your mind clear.